हेलो माय यूट्यूब फैमिली, दिस इज प्रतीक तंवर। वेलकम टू बेस्ट इंग्लिश क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग एक और डिबेट डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। और इस डिबेट के अंदर मुझे ज्वाइन करेंगे मेरे स्टूडेंट नखत दान। सो नखत, वेलकम टू द चैनल।
Thank you so much, sir.
So today this topic what we are going to discuss is that should society ban or restrict the sale and use of violent video games? Like how much video games, especially violent and with sexual material, how they are responsible in um, harming the society. Okay,
Right,
so we'll start with your views.
right. So, as you all know, I mean, the game PUBG is absolutely, viral nowadays.
Right.
People play PUBG so much between the age of 15 to, even the elderly age people play,
Hmm.
right? So, I'll talk about the children only,
Hmm.
the age between 12 to 18 or 20, so, right? So,
Okay.
I've seen them playing PUBG and I've seen the uh, so many, drawbacks, and
Hmm.
I'll name them one by one. First of all, it has physical impacts, right?
Okay.
It'll increase the blood pressure of that kid. He will be subject of obesity, right? He'll get obese,
Hmm.
and after that he will have sleep deprivation, right?
Hmm.
And if a kid play these kind of violent video game, it can even damage the brain as well,
Okay.
right? And there are other factors as well. For example, he'll get aggressive. My real cousin, he also
Hmm.
plays it, so he's very aggressive. And after that, there can be mental illness as well. And if you play these kind of video games, you will not be able to focus on your academics, so it will affect your academic performance as well, right? And
Hmm.
after that, if you play these kind of games, you will not be able to social anymore.
Okay.
So it will impact your social relationships as well. And if you are more than 20 or 25 and if you still play these kind of games, it will you will be unemployed as well, because one of my friend who was employed earlier, now ever since he started playing this game, is completely unemployed and his family is suffering too.
Nakat,
And
there are many more people in the
yeah.
world who are unemployed and those people who don't play video games. You cannot only blame video games for unemployment.
No, I'm not just blaming only video game, but there are cases I've seen. And after that, you must have heard one case into Punjab where a kid, he spent 4 lakh rupees over that game.
Hmm.
So
But
sometimes
but
spending
Nakat,
money.
there are many people who are earning money from live stream of games. So it depends on person to person actually.
So if I, you are absolutely right into that. I
Hmm.
mean, the chances of getting success into these kind of games are very less.
Hmm.
I mean, there are only one mortal or one dynamo out of, I believe, 20 to 30 crore people, right? So
Okay, so I want you to clarify that are you against video games or are you against violent video games?
sir, I am against video games as well.
Okay.
I mean, I believe that children uh, should not be given or should not be given access to video games at an early age.
Okay. But don't you think that these violent games actually they act more like a catharsis, like they allow people with aggressive feelings to vent them out?
So it's a wrong thing. I mean, I
No,
think
no.
if
What I mean to say that if they are aggressive, then they can just
okay, they
use
can vent it
video
out into
games.
video games.
Yes, yes, yes.
Right, right. That's
Instead
right.
of real life.
That's right. It actually happens.
Hmm. So it's a
Once
good
even
thing. It's a good thing.
yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing, but you cannot ignore the harmful impacts of the games by these kind of things. Once,
Okay.
Sadhguru also said it that nowadays kids are, I mean, happy when they kill somebody into video games. So it has only been the limit of these kids.
Hmm. Okay, one more thing I would like to put like there are many experiments which show that visuals and tracking, all such things that we get from video games, it actually improves our mental ability. Don't you
So
think so?
it may increase the mental ability, but when we play video games, I mean, there is a hormone. which our body releases. It's called dopamine, and
Hmm.
it impacts very badly. It is an addictive hormone, and I believe no video game is addictive. Is not addictive. Sorry. So I don't think it
And
has
you
got
also
so many
said
things.
that people become isolated and they don't have social. But nowadays people can play with their friends also, and so it has a benefit socially. Like you
Sir,
can
I have
play with
seen
your games with you. You can play with your friends. You can sit together and just enjoy.
Sir, I have seen my real brother playing
Hmm.
video game over his phone, and whenever my parents would tell him something, he would ignore. So I would not consider this point.
Okay. And there are many other crimes and antisocial behaviors which are not seen in video games, but these things also happen in society. So how can we blame video games in that?
No, sir, I'm not blaming completely video games, but the video game also plays a role into that. It has also got a one factor. If you play video game, if you have such violent, and one more thing you mentioned into the beginning, porn, so
Hmm.
it will increase the amount of lust into the
Right.
into
There
youth.
is no
If
doubt,
they
no doubt about it that parents should know that what their children are doing, like what they are playing, if there
Mhm.
is anything right or
Right,
wrong, what they must have some idea about it.
right, absolutely, sir.
Hmm. So, don't you think that it's a useful outlet for childhood aggression? Like play violence has always been a natural part of growing up, is it especially for boys?
Right. Sir, aggression, you can vent it out, but I
Hmm.
believe it will lead to addiction, and which is not at all good. So I'll ignore
Okay,
this point of, getting venting
okay,
out your aggression.
right. And what is your thought about uh, like most of the in Indian families, all the boys and girls, they live a very simple life. They don't get a chance to do a lot of adventure and all these things. So by these video games, they just change their life full of boredom into a fantasy world. So it actually takes them to a dream world when you can do all such things that you cannot do by yourself.
Sir, I would like to quote an example of an American scientist onto this point of yours. Sir,
Okay.
he says that, when you are into social media or into video games, you get your aspirations fulfilled very easily. So what
Hmm.
happens when things come into real life, you don't need to get, so much of hard work because of the fact that you have been getting everything very easily into video games.
Hmm.
So life into success into real life, the chances of that it actually decrease. So if you
Okay.
play such games, then your chances of getting success into real life it also decreases. So
So what should be done? Do you think government should take some action?
absolutely, sir. Government has taken actions already in so many states. For example, in Gujarat, it's completely banned.
Okay.
So and parents also look after their children, whether they are not, playing or play.
But I think that these kind of games will still be available on internet and hackers can find such ways. And by restricting the sale of such video games, government will only push the illegal downloading programs and which is more harmful.
Sir, not every kid.
Games will be available in black market very easily. And the games like many competitions are held of gamers that will be banned. So it will actually only have a bad effect.
Sir, I believe that the first point of yours was to was easily available into black market, right?
Hmm.
So I don't think every kid would know that how things into black market works. So into
Okay.
India, majority of the people or the kids who play video games, they
Hmm.
play just because it is available free of cost. If it is available into any cost, they'll not prefer it to play. And second point of yours was these competitions, sir. I believe these competition I've seen, people who play video games, they become very aggressive if they lose the game, right?
Hmm.
As I've already mentioned, the point of brain damage and how it affects the brain. So I don't think it is also very good to have a competition in video games. So it is that competition itself is not healthy, sir.
Okay. But I think after all, it's a game. Don't you think that playing only video game, it does not cause kids to commit mass shootings? They don't have guns. It's just for their passing time.
It is actually, I've already mentioned the point that when you kill somebody into video game, you have a craving or a desire to do the same into real life. So one incident also happened into America where a kid where a kid was killed for that game only. I don't know what incident actually happened, but for that only a kid was killed.
Okay. Um, you know what I think is like nearly all young men play video games. So the
Right.
fact that some people who commit violent acts also played games should not be surprising. Nor does it imply a causal relationship. So I don't think that there is a causal relationship that these crimes are happening because of video games.
Yes, sir. I have already told you, and you're right into that point as well.
Hmm.
I don't think every youngster or every kid who plays video game will end up committing some crime.
Right.
I think the majority of the kid, because I mean, they don't know and they're not mature enough to understand how things work. So majority of them will end up doing such things, and it will have a bad impact. So that's what I think.
Okay. Uh, I totally agree with you at some level because being a teacher, I have seen many students playing PUBG instead of giving enough focus on
Studies,
studies.
right?
So I had a wonderful discussion with you, Nakat,
Thank you,
and
sir.
I hope we will have many more discussions in future, and it would be
Sure.
very beneficial for the students who watch our videos on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
And in the end, I would like to say that those who are new to our channel, they should subscribe our channel and watch all the videos from start to end. And
And share it too.
don't forget to share it with the English learners. Thank you.